Hi, can we talk about things like this? And this guy, and this guy, and this guy. Are they cute? I didn't do them. I'm not this clever. Trust me and yarn, we don't get along. My clever and super uber crafty sister made them. Recently, there has been something trending in the crafty world online that caught my attention and made me start to consider actually jumping on this trend, which is also something I don't typically do because I want to be me. But this could make me a person who knows how to do this. Get to the trend already, Christine? Oh my God, you like to talk, girl, and get to the point. Here it is, here's the point, the wobbles. This is what we're gonna try. It's entirely possible that I'm gonna screw this up. This should be fun, maybe. Okay. All right, let's see what's in this. I'm told there's a video that goes with this, and I guess it's probably a link maybe on the bag or in here. Let's see. Nice yarn. How cute. All right, stuffing. I'm gonna open up this thing. Ah, there it is. Make Sebastian. He's got a name. How cute. Oh, okay. Here's the starting loops, I believe. There they are, they're started. Apparently this is the hardest part in crochet land, which is why I should be able to do this because it looks like it's already started. We'll see. Sebastian eyeballs. Okay, next step, let's watch the video. All right, I'm ready to pull this up. So I'm gonna get the website off of the card. Gosh, I hate how shaky I am. Yay, look at that. Are you a lefty? Are you a righty? I'm a righty. Alrighty then. Okay, I've got my instructions. Wow, ever cool. Look at all that. This is neat. What the heck?
First, take the piece that look like a circle with some. First, take the piece that take your left palm looks like a circle with some. Keep this piece. Now take your left.
I'm stuck in crochet hell. I have questions and I have nobody to ask. So I just have to go on good faith that I'm following the instructions. Your girl's in trouble. It's so bumpy and not a circle because my count was off. I told you I'd screw it up. I told you. What am I going to do about it? Am I going to rip it all out because I'm a perfectionist? Actually, I know that's what I'm going to end up doing. Oh boy, I know that look. Clenched jaw, staring off into space. I hate yarn. That's that look. God, I hate yarn. What was I thinking? I'm back. I'm going to try and fix it. I won't make you watch all that. I'm going to try and get it to the point that I was at when I ripped it apart. And done. Let's move on. I feel the need to point this out. They don't know me, do they? Oh yeah, okay. We have to take a minute and stop. I just received something from my good friend. She sent me her pattern for her positive potatoes. She sent me everything I need as though it's a Wobbles kit. This is awesome. Look at this bag, okay? It's a reusable bag because we're Canadian, we do that. So funny. Here's the positive potato sign. It says, I may be a tiny potato, but I believe in you. Go do your thing. I love it. It's so cute. Look at this. It's a full Wobbles kit. I'm laughing my ass off at this. Sarah sells these on her Etsy. Probably something she found in her yard. She whittled it down and stuck the crochet stick in it, and it's freaking awesome. So when I'm done with this wobble, I'm going to try and see if I can follow her pattern, which is available online if you would like to make this. This is awesome. Sarah, this is so awesome. Look at the potato. I can be taught. I wanted to stop for a second and acknowledge how successful I've been so far, because I think I'm going to screw up the rest of it. I think I'm too much of a perfectionist for this. It's got to look exactly the way it needs to be for me to be happy. Otherwise, I rip it out and I start it again. I think I've invented some swear words and might have to go and do penance. I'm wondering if there's such a thing as like crochet armor for my finger. If it's not a thing, it needs to be a thing. Is this what thimbles are for? I did it. I successfully crocheted a cute little lion. I've never ever crocheted before. So this kit can help you learn how to crochet. Now the question I have is, am I prepared to pick up a pattern and succeed? I think the number one component of what helped me the most with the Wobbles kit, besides having everything conveniently ready, was the specifically made yarn that the Wobbles kits have. Just look at the difference. While I was learning on the lion, I didn't know just how helpful this Wobbles yarn was. I picked up the regular yarn for the potato and it was a struggle. It took some time for me to adjust and get my flow, but I did it. The smooth yarn on the Wobbles helped me to see the stitches without the fuzzy nature of the regular yarn, and that's why I think that this Wobbles kit worked for me. When comparing what I made to my sister's owls, I can see what time and practice can do. I could recognize how she made the owl. The owl eyes are my lion's cheeks, and even the potato had arms that were made with the same technique as the lion's mane. I can do it. I can say I'm able to crochet. You know, the real question now is, will I continue? Jury's out on that one, folks. That's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I would very much appreciate that. I will see you all next time.